Hello, this is Pamela. I have a shoe review to show you guys.
Okay guys, I'm super excited to show you these new shoes. I was contacted by Vivaia if I wanted to give them an honest review of 2 pairs of their shoes. And so I was so excited when I looked on their website and I saw the styles that they had. I knew that this was for me. But yeah, so I'm going to show these shoes off to you guys and give you my honest review of them. And show what they're made of and see if that helps. Thank you, Vivaia, for these shoes. I love these.
I fell in love with the shoes. They had so many different styles and stuff that fit my lifestyle and color range. So of course, I had to narrow it down because they wanted to give me 2 pairs to show. And so I've got the 2 with me. I have not got to wear these out, like out on the streets yet. Just around the house because I wanted them to stay clean for me to do the review on. So I'll go ahead and show you how they come. It comes in a box like this and it says step into conscious comfort, stylish, sustainable, Vivaia. And when you open this up, it says made from recycled materials. It says this right here. It says, thank you for helping our ocean in recycling more than 6 plastic water bottles, preventing them from breaking into millions of microplastics and harming marine life. Please note, our insoles are made of natural Artemisia argyri herbs, which may cause allergic reactions. That's what it says on the box right there, in case you need to know that. So when you open it, now this... I forgot to put it in, but it does have tissue right here over it, and I've already removed that because, I was so excited. I had to try these on. They come like this right here inside of them. So here we are. They're just beautiful. There's their little symbol right here. And this right here, you can put your finger in here to remove this little insert right here. Got it in there nice and tight. And this little insert is washable to help prevent stinky feet. What it looks like on the inside. And that's what this right here. And you just put this back in when you're ready to wear it. I love this pointed look. They're nice, they're bendable. And these actually, I was a little hesitant, to be honest with you, to try a pair of shoes styled like this, because usually when it's elongated right here, they usually don't stay on my feet very good. But as soon as I put my foot in and walked around the house, I knew that they were going to work because it actually felt, I don't want to say tight, but it felt, what is that word I'm looking for? I'll think of it in a minute. But they felt firm, still not the word I'm looking for, around my feet to where I knew that they weren't going to slip off of my feet. So, but yeah, I like this about them. Anyway, so that's one of them. And of course, here's the matching. There we go. Okay, so we're going to see what they look like on my feet here in just a second. Let's take a look at my second pair. Come in the same type of box right here. And now I did close the white on this one. So when you open it, it looks like this. Let's see, there is a tag right there. And this one I was super excited about because this, like that style, I will wear when I go out to dinner. I'll wear them to church and things like that. But this style is a style that I will wear for everyday running up to McDonald's or, grocery shopping, running up to the store or whatever. These are the ones that I will wear for that. And they come with one of those as well. Here's the other one. Here's the back side. So these have the same removable piece so that they can breathe. Oh, and it has instructions on the inside. 100% recycled sock, PU, Artemisia argyri herb, sole, natural rubber, wash and care. It says don't dry clean, no bleach, dry in shade, cool and cold. But that's it right there. And then there's their little symbol right there. Let me see the color that I chose on this one. These is called Ash Rose. But isn't that just beautiful? I love this style of shoe. This is my favorite style of shoe. And they even have these little grip things right here for your heel. Right there. I love that part about it. Shoes are sponsored by Vivaia. Let me go ahead and show you what these shoes look like on. Okay, as you can see as I try this on, that my foot easily fits in the shoe. Now, I will leave the link below to this certain pair of shoes, and I have a 18% discount code that I will leave in the description box below as well. This shoe is called the Pointed Toe Ballet Flats, Aria 5 Degree. And this is one of their best sellers. This is, I believe they have like 18 color choices to pick from. And it also, as I scroll down on their website here, it says US only. They have a 30-day fit guarantee, free exchange, and no hassle returns. Free shipping on orders over $99. It says that they are made from 6 plastic bottles, antimicrobial and breathable. Machine washable. Some of the highlights on this certain shoe. I don't know if I said earlier, but this color is almond. Some of the highlights is it has the added comfort of a sneaker, the 5-degree inward adjustment, creating a wider toe box for a better fit, and increased arch support, better heel cushioning, and high elasticity. Core features: recycled and renewable materials, machine washable, arch support and cushioning, and counter padding. 30-day return and 24-hour delivery. It says, say goodbye to blisters with added heel padding like comfortable pillows for your ankles. The arch support, it says, with added arch comfort on the insole like a comfortable pillow for your feet for maximum comfort. This is a very comfortable, classic looking shoe, and I am going to enjoy wearing these. Now let's go look at the second shoe that I have. As you can see, these are a little tighter as I put them on. This is from the Jenny sneaker collection. It's the round toe slip-on sneakers, and the color of this one is Ash Rose. And this does come in 4 colors, and it sizes 5 to 11. It says that the Jenny sneakers are designed with a classic slip-on silhouette, a bouncy cushioned insole for added comfort, and a secure non-slip rubber outsole for stability. Slip on these stylish women's sneakers for any situation, including travel, outdoor excursions, shopping, and much more. Okay, and what the website says about them is that they have a round toe slip-on sneakers, knit upper made from plastic bottles, deodorizing removable insole, anti-slip rubber outsole, 244 gram per shoe. One size up is recommended for wide feet in this style. This shoe has yoga mat midsole, ultra lightweight composition paired with high rebound, a rubber outsole, high flexibility, and shock absorption. It has herbal PU foam insole, combines elasticity and softness. It's like walking on clouds. They are light as a feather and built for maximum comfort. It says the knit upper stretches in 4 directions to avoid toe squeezing. It says, lady with bunions and wider feet, I'm your shoe. Now this shoe does have a heel cup. It says the U-curve shaped heel cup supports the foot and ankle complex, absorbing shock, plus relieving pressure helps your feet feel better. And it says a layer of 100% biodegradable, sustainable cloth is attached to the surface of every insole. It's soft and silky. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these beautiful shoes. Let's see what they look like on when I'm actually wearing them and walking around in them. They are very comfortable, very stylish, and I can't wait to wear these out as an everyday shoe. I just want to say thank you so much for Vivaia for these shoes. I love these and I'm so excited. Matter of fact, I am going on vacation and I am taking both of these pairs of shoes with me. So thank you so very much. And guys, I just wanted to show you my little honest review of them in case you are interested in these types of shoes.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.